Did you know there's a hidden system app inside your Android phone that can access your microphone and run in the background almost all the time? Most people don't even know it exists. And today, I'll show you where it is, what it does, and the simple settings you should change right now to keep your phone more private and free up storage. Let's jump in. First, open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now look for the menu icon or three dots at the top and enable Show System Apps. Once system apps are visible, tap the search bar and type Speech. You should now see the app called Speech Services. Tap on it. Now, before you panic, let me explain. This app is actually used by Android for voice recognition features. For example, it helps Google Assistant understand your voice, converts speech to text, and sometimes even converts text back into voice. So yes, it can be useful. But here's the part many users don't realize. This app can run frequently in the background and uses your microphone permission. Tap Permissions. You'll notice it has access to your microphone. By default, most phones set this to allow only while using the app, but since this service can run in the background, a better option is to set it to Ask every time. This way, your phone will request permission whenever the app needs the microphone. That means, more control for you. Now go back and tap the three dots in the top corner, then open All Permissions. Here you'll notice something interesting. This system app can access the internet, view network connections, download files in the background, prevent your phone from sleeping. These permissions are part of the Android system, so some of them can't be disabled, but there are still a few things we can optimize. Go back and open Battery Settings. Now enable Restricted Mode. This will limit how much the app runs in the background, which can help improve battery life. Next, open Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Here you can disable background data usage for this app. This helps reduce unnecessary internet traffic. Now open Storage. On my device, this app is using around 190 megabytes, but on some phones, users have reported 500 megabytes, 1 gigabyte, or even more. Most of this is just cached voice data and text queries, so go ahead and tap Clear Data. This will safely remove the accumulated files and free up space. One last thing. I don't recommend completely disabling this system app because it's still used for features like voice typing and Google Assistant. That way the app works only when you actually need it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more hidden Android tips you probably didn't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.